Learn salsa dancing for beginners in 30 days. No partner needed. Today we'll practice all the advanced steps we learned so far in days 11, 12, 14 and 16. These are the reverse crossbody lead, the crossbody lead 360, the right pass and the swap 360. We will start with a 360, stepping on the line, twist, open, in place, on the line and anchor, and swap 360. Back, cross, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Are you ready? Yes, day 17. Turn to your right and let's start. One basic, but offline to the right. Let's go. Back, cross to the front, forwards. Now 360 with an anchor on the line, twist, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Basic offline, front, 2, 3, let's go. Back, cross to the front, forward. Now 360 with an anchor on the line, twist, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Basic offline. Last time slow, yes, you're doing great. Let's go. Back, cross to the front, forward. Now 360 with an anchor on the line, twist, open, in place, on the line, and anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and full speed. One basic offline. Go. 1, let's go. And 360. Twist, open and swap 360. Anchor. Back, open, rotate, basic offline. And 360. Now. Twist, open and swap 360. Anchor, back, open and rotate, basic offline. Once more. 360. Twist, open, swap 360. Anchor, back, open, rotate on the line. Turn around and basic offline slow. Front, 2, 3, let's go. Back, cross to the front, forwards, 360 with an anchor on the line, twist, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate it on the line, basic offline, front, 2, 3, let's go, back, cross to the front, forwards, 360 with an anchor on the line, twist, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate on the line. Basic offline. Front, 2, 3, doing great. Back, cross to the front, forward, 360 with an anchor on the line. Twist, open, in place, on the line, and anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and full speed, basic offline. 1, and let's go, 360. Now, twist, open and swap 360. Anchor, back, open, rotate, basic offline, and 360. Let's go. Twist, open and swap 360. Anchor, back, open, rotate, basic offline, and 360. Let's go. Twist, open, swap 360. Anchor, back, open, and rotate. And now we'll do the right pass with an anchor, back, on the line, anchor, and then the swap 360. Now turn around and one basic offline, and right pass and swap 360. Let's go. Back, cross to the front, forward. Now right pass with an anchor. Cross to the back, front, side, back, on the line, anchor, now swap 360, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line, basic offline, front, 2, 3, let's go, back, cross to the front, forwards, now right best with an anchor, cross to the back, front, side, back, on the line, anchor, now swap 360, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line, basic offline, and then right pass and swap 360, let's go, back, cross to the front, forwards, now right pass with an anchor, cross to the back, front, side, back, on the line, anchor, now swap 360, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and full speed, basic offline, 1, let's go, and right pass, now, cross to the back, side and swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate, basic offline, and again, right pass, let's go, cross to the back, side, swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate, basic offline, again, right pass, let's go, cross to the back, side, swap 360, anchor, back, open, cross to the back, rotate on the line, turn around and basic offline, slow, and then again, right pass and swap 360, let's go, back, cross to the front, forwards, now right pass with an anchor, cross to the back, front, side, back, on the line, anchor, now swap 360, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate on the line, now basic offline, 1, 2, 3, let's go, back, cross to the front, forwards, now right pass with an anchor, cross to the back, front, side, back, on the line, anchor, now swap 360, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line, basic offline, 1, 2, 3, you can smile, yes, back, cross to the front, forward, now right pass with an anchor, cross to the back, front, side, back, on the line, and anchor, now swap 360, yes, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and full speed, basic offline, 1, let's go, and right pass, cross to the back, side and swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate, basic offline, and right pass, let's go, cross to the back, side and swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate, basic offline, and right pass, let's go, cross to the back, side and swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate, and basic, now basic slow, and let's do a longer sequence, yes, RCBL offline, 360 with an anchor and swap 360, let's go, front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place, now 360 with an anchor, on the line, twist, open, in place, on the line, anchor, now swap 360, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line, reverse CBL offline, front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place, now 360 with an anchor, on the line, twist, open, in place, on the line, anchor, now swap 360, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and full speed, 1 basic, 1, and let's go, reverse CBN offline, front, side and 360, go, twist, open and swap 360, anchor, back, open and reverse CBL offline, front, side and 360, go, twist, open and swap 360, anchor, back, open, rotate, basic, and now basic slow, Let's do another sequence. Yes, reverse CBL of line, arm pass with an anchor and swap 360. Let's go. Front, in place, side. Cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass with an anchor. Cross to the back, front, side, back, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and reverse CBL of line. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass with an anchor, cross to the back, front, side, back, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and full speed. One basic. One. Let's go. Reverse CBL of line. Go. Front, side and right pass. Let's go. Cross to the back, side and swap 360. Anchor, back, open and reverse CBL of line. Front, open and right pass. Let's go. Cross to the back, side and swap 360. Anchor, back, open, rotate on the line, basic. And thank you very much for joining me. And don't miss the muscle tip at the end. Ready for day 18? Click here or check the description. And if you're not sure yet, remember that repetition is the mother of skill. So feel free to repeat day 17 again. The more you practice, the better you get. And if you found this video helpful, please scroll down and type the words "more practice" in the comments below. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. And today's master tip: practice with this video again, and every time you do the swap 360, imagine yourself rotating while holding your partner.